All right, so I have the gain right to the bottom, and I'm just in the camper and I'm testing out the microphone. So I'm about a couple inches from the microphone. I've turned it up to here and I'm about a foot away. That's full gain, 1 foot away from the microphone. Put the gain right there and we'll go back about 8 feet. So I'm 8 feet back and I'm on the 1 dot close-up tests. I'll put the gain down to the small dot. I'm only about 4 inches from the microphone, full gain, and I'm going to talk really low. So let's talk a little quiet. I'm going to talk a little quieter, and I'm on the full gain, whispering into the microphone. Let's see. I'm at the large circle. Can you hear me? So how does the volume sound at a lower? I'm talking very, very low. I'm about 4 inches away from the microphone. Gain all the way up. I'm whispering now. So, hey, can you still hear me? And then I'm going to turn it down to the small circle, small dot. And then I'm going to turn it right to the bottom. Can you still hear me with the lowest? Okay, so the voice canceling mode is on, and I've got the gain on the first dot. So because it's so quiet out here, I don't think we really need it. I'm going to turn it up to, now I'm at the largest dot, and I'm going to try it on the full gain, and I'm going to talk really low. So let's talk a little quiet.
Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. 1, 2, 1, 2. Under. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, bop, bop. 1, 2, 1, 2. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop.
This microphone is so cool. I wish that I could directly plug it into my iPhone. Maybe there's an adapter for it, but I love it. So right now, it's on the regular setting, which is why it's green. If I hold it down for 2 seconds, the noise canceling comes on and now it's blue. And then if you just tap it, it mutes it and that turns it the color red. And then you can change the colors. It has a cycle of colors, which is pretty cool. This is like the rainbow effect. And then it has the other one where it goes in and out, where it looks like it's breathing, where it fades to black. We'll see if it does it here. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, I like it. I'm pleased. I admit, I don't know a lot about microphones. Like, I know a little bit, but when it comes to the whole gamer mic scene, you know, I admit I don't know as much as I probably really should. But for what this is, I like it. Now, in terms of the noise canceling effect, I did notice that the noise canceling was a little bit, it was a little bit okay. Meaning if you already have a quiet room and you put your headphones into this, you are going to hear everything in the ambient noise when it's on the regular green setting. Put it on green. There we go. So you're going to hear everything when it's on green setting and you have your earphones in. But on playback without your headphones in, like it really does focus in on your voice, which is really cool. So if your room isn't too loud, you might be able to get away with it. I think it sounds better on the regular setting. But if you're in a super crowded environment or someone's yelling, you do have the noise canceling option there. Anyway, I hope this helps. It came with a cord, it came with this little thing, and it came with a manual. And yeah, I like it. This is definitely an upgrade for me.
Everybody, so I was able to get my microphone for my gaming. I used this on my streaming for my PS5 for my game streaming. This microphone is a MAONO. It is very, very universal. So what you have here is you have a USB port, so you can use it into the USB. If you take it off, you also have a C-type. So you can use both of these on PlayStation 5. I use both, either the USB or the C-type. So it does work both ways. This is how it comes, and this is what it looks like. So you have your USB and C-type plugged into the back of here. You also do have an adjustable here, so you could change the volume. You do also have an adjustable here, so that way you can move it up and down. So you can move it however you're comfortable. Okay. This also does come with multiple colors. It also has a mute button on the top. It also has a noise protection on the top as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug this in so you guys can see it how it works. Okay. All right. Now that we have it turned on and plugged in, here's your universal light. This can be changed, so it does have multiple levels on it. You do have a green light on the front, which tells you whether you're muted or unmuted. So right now we're unmuted, okay? So it is green. We're going to go ahead and mute. It will change it to red. Again, this is a universal, so it does change to different colors. Some of them will flicker, some of them will blink. It just really depends. This one also changes to multicolors, okay? I love using this microphone. It's worked great for me since as a starting streamer. It's very inexpensive. I think I paid 45 bucks for it. Don't quote me on that. I'm not quite sure, but it was very, very inexpensive and it works amazingly. Go check this out in the Amazon shop. You won't regret it.
This is me speaking into the MAONO DGM20S from 10 centimeters away. This is me speaking into the HyperX Duocast from 10 centimeters away. This is me speaking into the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro microphone while I am wearing it on my head. This is me speaking into the microphone of the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 while I'm wearing it on my head. This is me speaking into the microphone of my laptop
the Lenovo Yoga 7i, from a comfortable working distance away. This is me speaking into the microphone of my phone, the Xiaomi Mi 12S Ultra, from 10 centimeters away.
M20 from MAONO. This microphone is a buy from me. Very simple to use. It's a plug and play, okay? We got USB-A into the PS5, USB-C back here on the microphone. You don't need the angled one like it has in the picture on the Amazon website if that's where you're buying it from. It has a headphone jack in the front if you want headphones. The gain is right here. I have it set to where I was testing it for my distance and sound quality and such. On top, you can control the RGB. You can cycle through the colors. One will just cycle through a whole bunch of colors, but I particularly like the teal, so that's where I'm sitting at. We're doing the teal. And then the mute button over here, very easy. Green, record, red, mute. For the price and the sound quality you get, it's definitely a buy for me. I've tested it on a few different things, and I love the quality that comes through on my streams. It's a 5 out of 5 for me. Simplicity, use, sound quality. Go ahead and buy it. It's a good one. Recommended. potential. No.